Hi, I'm Reframing and welcome to this video. One of the most common questions I get on social media is which programming field is the best. Often it's followed by which field has the highest income. In this video, I'll answer these questions in depth. Before we start, I recommended subscribing to the channel, hitting the notification bell, and setting it to all so you don't miss any of my future uploads. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me by liking it and leaving a comment. It really motivates me. Alright, let's dive into it. First off, the first question is fundamentally flawed. And the second one is too general. But don't worry, I'll help reframe these questions and provide better answers. Instead of asking which programming field is the best and which field has the highest income, it's better to ask which programming field is best for me and which field can I earn the most from. Let's break these down, starting with the first question. Which programming field is the best? From web development to mobile apps, artificial intelligence, and more, there is no single best field. The best choice depends on factors like your interests, likes, and long-term goals. These vary greatly from person to person. For example, a field that excites one individual might not be suitable for someone else. Therefore, instead of chasing the best field based on general opinions, it's crucial to explore what aligns with your personal preferences and aspirations. Which field has the highest income? Now let's address the second question. To understand why it's problematic, we need to distinguish two concepts. First, the average income of each field globally. This can be easily researched, and there are plenty of statistics available. Second, your personal earning potential in a specific field. This is the real question people are asking when they wonder about income. Here's the thing. Someone might enter a high paying field but fail to earn even the average income because they lack the required expertise or interest. On the other hand, the same person could excel in a field with lower average income but due to passion and mastery outperform others and earn far more than the average. So how do we approach these questions correctly? First, which programming field is the best is reframed as which programming field is best for me. To answer these, you'll need to familiarize yourself with various programming fields and identify which one you're most passionate about. I've covered this in a dedicated video, Step 1, Choosing Your Programming Field, available in my playlist, Programming Roadmap. Check out the link in the description or up here. Second, which field has the highest income? Is reframed as which field can I earn the most from? Before thinking about income, choosing the right field for yourself is key. When you love what you do and build expertise in it, income naturally follows. As we discussed, you can achieve top tier earnings in a lower income field if you're skilled and passionate about it. Now you know how to tackle these common questions. If you're still at the start of your programming journey, I recommended watching Step 0, Can I Become a Programmer? From the Programming Roadmap playlist. It will give you a clearer perspective as you enter the world of programming. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, set it to all, and like the video. Your comments mean a lot to me. I do my best to read and reply to them. See you in the next video.